Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes, I was waiting for the others also to join, but I guess today very few have joined. Yes, they just joined. Who is that talking in between? Who is talking?
Today daily test is there.
I have not told you about any daily test. Okay, so ready with your workbooks? Yes. Before we start with the workbook, we will just do a quick summary. Devatma, can you please mute your audio? Naisa also. Please mute the audio.
Ma'am, your video is off.
Your video is off, Naisa, not mine. Okay, so before we just start with the question answers, we will do a quick summary of the question of the lesson. Yes, so what is air made up of? What is air made up of? You can raise your hands, I will ask.
Dust, waste particle.
I said raise your hand, I will ask. Why a few of the videos switched off? Huh? Yes, Shravan. What is air made up of? Shravan, unmute. Yes, Abha.
Ma'am, with dust particles. With dust particles.
Is that what air is made up of?
Air is made up of dust particles.
Yes, Sahrish.
Air is made up of different gases and dust particles.
Yes, air is made up of different gases and dust particles. Very good. Okay, next one. List out the properties of air. Properties of air. Yes, Ivan?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what are the properties of air?
Sandstorm.
Properties of air. Yes, Aradhya?
Ma'am.
What happened? Why is everybody so blank? In 1 week, you forgot what are the properties of air.
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
Yes.
Ma'am, I came late.
We have not started, Sahish. We're just revising the chapter.
Okay.
Yes, Renfred, can you tell me what are the properties of air?
Ma'am, snowstorm.
Properties of air.
Ma'am, can you give me one example?
Like air has no smell, no shape, no color.
Air helps us to breathe.
No, dear, that is the uses of air. Yes, Avalyn, you were raising your hand.
have no smell,
Hmm.
air not have shape.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Agnel, yes.
air has fan.
Air has?
Ma'am, air no has colors.
Air has no color, air has no smell, air has no shape. Yes, this is what I also told you. Two more
Air
properties were there.
has weight.
Air has weight. What happened? Forgot everybody. Oh my God, I have to revise
Air
it.
don't have wings.
Hmm.
Ma'am, air fills space.
Air fills up space, air has weight. Okay, so those were the three important properties of air. Air has no smell, no shape, no color. Air has weight, air fills up space. Okay, and which are the, we also saw what moving air is. What is moving air?
Ma'am,
What is moving air? Yes, Aradhya.
wind.
Wind. Okay, and which were the two different types of wind that we saw? Which are the two different types of wind? Yes, Sahish?
Breeze
Hmm.
and thunderstorm.
Breeze and storm. Breeze and storm. I think all of you have forgotten, right? Blank, everybody is looking. Okay. Breeze and storm were the two different kinds of wind that we saw. Breeze is the gentle, slow moving wind, and storm was the fast, strong, fast moving wind. Then we saw four different types of storm. Which were they?
Thunder. Ma'am, Emmanuel.
Yes, Emmanuel.
Ma'am, I can.
Yes, Emmanuel, tell me.
Storm,
Mm,
dust storm,
mm,
snowstorm, and
mm.
sandstorm.
Yes, thunderstorm, dust storm, sandstorm, snowstorm. Okay, very good. Then we saw the important uses of air. 5 important uses of air we studied. What was that? Yes, one, Sahrish, tell me one.
Air helps us to breathe.
Air helps us to breathe. Very good. Second one.
Ma'am. Air helps us to burn.
Air helps in burning. Air helps us to burn. If you burn yourself, what will happen, Devatmak? Air helps in burning.
Burning.
Mm. Yes, Aradhya.
Drying clothes.
Yes, air helps in drying clothes. What else?
Sailing the boat.
Sailing the boat. One more was there. One more use was there.
Kite.
Not to fly the kite. It was something. Yes. Ah,
Air gives shape to things.
yes. Air gives shape to things. Okay. So, first important property, all living things need air to breathe. Second one, air helps in burning. We saw the example of that candle where if you put a glass on top of the candle blows out. The third one, air gives shape to things. If you blow air into a balloon, a football, or a tire, it gets its shape. The third one is the air gives shapes to things. Fourth one, air helps in drying clothes. And the last important use of air, we saw that it helps boats to sail. Yes?
Yes.
So now you will remember what is properties and what are the uses. Properties, there are 3. Okay, which is air has no smell, no shape, no color. Air has weight, air fills up space. And uses of air is where we saw air helps in breathing, burning, drying clothes, helps boats to sail, gives shapes to things. Okay, now we shall move on to the question answers. Please open page number 10 of your workbook. Page number 10 of your workbook.
Taken, ma'am.
Okay.
In the is some questions.
That is what I said we are going to do.
I know.
What were you expecting, Abba? Huh? Okay. So the first question here is a multiple choice question. Look at the given pictures. The first picture shows two balloons filled with air. In the second picture, air from one balloon is removed. What do these pictures show regarding air? Air has weight, air has smell, air has color. We can see air.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Those of you who have entered late, please mute your audios. If you enter late, please just keep your audios muted. Do not disturb the class.
Ma'am, air has weight.
Air has weight. Very good. Air has weight. So this property is shown with this experiment of balloon.
And now the first Oh no.
Whose place is that noise coming from?
Esther, I think.
Esther, please mute your audio.
Ma'am, I'm muted.
Somebody else's audio is not muted. Please keep your audios muted unless you are going to answer the question. Okay, second one.
Ma'am, it's a man.
What does the given picture show regarding air? Okay, look at the picture. You can see a child is blowing air into the balloon. What is being shown? We can feel air. Air needs space. Air has color. Air has shape.
Ma'am, need space. Air needs space.
Air needs space. Yes, who is calling me?
Space.
Somebody is calling in between.
Ma'am, I in the sea.
Yes, Agnel.
Ma'am, I drink the water.
Okay, fine. Okay, so second one, air needs space. Air needs space.
Third question is?
Wait. We are doing the second one. Please do not go ahead. Okay, third question. Fill in the blanks using the correct word from the bracket. You are given two words in the bracket. Using the correct word, you have to fill in the blank. Okay, air is like a big dash that's around us. You have umbrella and blanket. Which is the correct word?
Blanket.
Air is like a big blanket that surrounds us. Air is like a big blanket that surrounds us. Fourth one. Air has no weight or color. Color. Yes. Air has no color.
You are. Next one.
Air has no color. Okay, I cannot, it will take some time for me to get the next page. So please wait. Second, dear, let me open that page.
Ma'am, I know that page. Ma'am, this page. Ma'am, we can see air and we can feel air. Ma'am, this page.
Yes, fifth question.
What is it, ma'am? Ma'am, I did
It's on the same page. It's on the same page. Don't look at the board. I have changed the page. But on the same page, you will find question number 5, which says, put a tick across the correct sentence. We can see air, we can feel air. Which is the correct one?
Feel air. Feel
We
air.
can feel air, yes.
Feel air.
We can feel air, yes.
I was taken the next page. Then next page.
Okay, page number 6. Sorry, question number 6. Does air stay in one place?
No. No. Air moves one place to another.
Very good. So you have to say no, air moves from one place to another. Air moves from one place to another.
Yeah. Air moves M-O-V-E. Completed.
Yes, all of you completed?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Air.
Now see the next question.
F-R-O-N.
Complete the following sentence. Air has no dash dash and color.
Shape, no smell.
Air has no shape,
And
smell, and color.
one
Who is that talking? Emmanuel, please mute your audio. Air has no smell, shape, color.
Okay.
Air has no smell, shape, and color. Yes. Now look at the next question, which is match the following. Look at the pictures and match. Question number 8. What is it showing?
Snowstorm.
Huh? Snowstorm. Yes, snowstorm.
So it's matched to B.
Snowstorm.
B.
Next one.
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm. Yes.
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm.
Next one is dust storm.
Yes. Dust storm.
Next thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. Yes. Thunderstorm. Okay. Now turn your page.
Page number 12.
Yes. Page number 12. Okay. Give one word for moving air. What is moving air?
Wind.
Yes.
Wind.
Good.
Wind.
Moving air is
Wind.
wind. Okay. Gentle wind. What is a gentle wind? Breeze. Very good. Breeze. Yes. Moving air is called wind and a gentle wind is called a breeze.
Next one, 13.
Now question number, this was 12. Now you have 13. What is a storm?
A storm is a strong and fast wind.
Very good. Storm is a strong and fast moving wind.
Storm is a
Abba,
strong.
please mute. Storm is a strong, fast moving wind.
Completed. Completed.
Yes, yes, let everyone complete.
Finish. Ma'am, completed.
Okay, now look at question number 14.
Yes.
Which of the following does not make use of air? Sailing boat, a burning candle, flying a kite, a bucket filled with water.
A bucket filled with
Very
water.
good, very good. Okay. Bucket filled with water. So option B.
B. Next 15. Page number 30.
Yes, page number 13, question number 15. Which of the following objects does not change its shape when filled with air?
Option B. Ma'am, option B. Bottle. Bottle. Option B.
Option B. Yes, option B. So the 15th one is option B, the bottle. Okay, if you fill air inside the bottle, it will still have that shape. But look at that crumpled ball and that float and the balloon. If you fill air into it, it will take up the round shape or the circular shape, whatever. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Look, if you see in that question number 15, picture A. Do you know what picture A is showing?
No.
Does anybody know what picture A is?
When we will swim, we will use it.
When there is?
When we will swim,
Yes. It's called a float or a swimming tube, okay? You use it when you are swimming.
to float up.
Yes, to float, it is used while swimming. Okay, good. Now look at question number 16.
Yes. Okay.
Question number 16. Why does a burning candle go out if we cover it with a glass?
Because we will cover it. Because there is no air. Not there. Then because we will cover it with the glass, it will not get air.
Okay, yes, okay. Can anybody put it in a proper sentence and tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
When we put a glass in the candle, it not pass the air. It don't get air.
All your answers are correct, but I'm not getting the proper sentence.
Because there is no air.
Okay, yes, because air does not get in or the air supply is cut off, which stops the candle from burning, okay?
Yes.
So when why it happens? This is because the covered candle does not get air to keep itself burning. The covered candle does not get enough air to keep itself burning.
Yes.
So question number 16.
This is because they covered candle. Ma'am, this is
Because this is because the covered candle does not get air to keep itself Burning.
This is because EPAUSC.
Who is that?
Ma'am, completed. Ma'am,
Please wait for the others to finish.
completed. Ma'am, all of you finish.
All finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at the next question. Please look at, I will show you in the end, Esther. Okay, look at the next question. Question number 17. Yes. Yes, I will show you. I will show you. Before I wind up the class, I will show you the answer. Okay, look at question number 17. Okay, so question number 17, I do not want you to write the answer, but I will tell you the reason. Okay, do not write. It is only for you to understand. Okay, look at that question. Before I move into that question, what will happen? Imagine there is a tub full of water. Okay?
Yes.
Tub or a bucket full of water. What will happen if I drop this pen inside that bucket or the tub?
It floats.
Will this pen float?
It will drown into the bottom of the...
It will go down. It will drown. Right?
Yes.
If I drop this pen, Sahrish, you can try it at home. Drop a pen or anything which is heavy, drop it inside a bucket of water. It will go down.
Okay.
Okay? Yes. Similarly, what will happen if I drop my watch inside the bucket?
It will drown.
It will go down. It will drown. This book?
It will go down.
It will go down. But what if I fill a balloon with air and leave it on top of the water?
It will float.
It will float. What about a ball?
It will float.
It will float. Do you know why this happens?
Because the air is so light.
Because air is lighter than water. Very good. Because air is lighter than water, anything filled with air will float on water. That is why we use tubes filled with air or floats filled with air when we go for swimming. If you have gone, anybody has gone for boating?
No.
Anybody has gone for boating?
Yes.
Are you given a life jacket to wear?
Yes.
Yes.
It is filled with air.
It is filled with air. Why? Because just in case there is an accident and you fall into water, you will not drown because this life jacket of yours is filled with air. Okay. So anything that is filled with air will keep you floating on water. It will not allow you to drown. Is it clear? Okay, that is the answer to question number 17. Why are swimming tubes filled with water? So that you float on water because air is lighter than water. I do not want you to write that answer. I just told you for you to understand. Yes, now those of you who want to complete the 16th answer, please complete it. Yes, there are others who are still writing. Please write.
Shravan CB is reading soft.
Huh?
Ma'am, Shravan CB video is soft.
Shravan's video is off. Yes. Those whose videos are off, I have marked them absent over here. I will not mark them present.
Get GET.
Yes, everybody is finished?
Yes.
Adrinath, have you finished?
Yes. Ma'am, is not finished. 14th one.
14th one. Oh, 14th one I've already erased. 14th
Ma'am,
one was a...
my is
14th
not
one, the
finished.
answer is D, a bucket filled with water. Bucket filled with water.
Ma'am, I is not finished, Emmanuel.
Who is this? When I ask you, why don't you say then? At that time you say, I have finished, I have finished. The moment I stop sharing, you will say, ma'am, I have not finished.
Ma'am, you send the WhatsApp.
Who is that?
Nisa.
Aisa, you can't write when others are writing.
Ma'am, I show.
Okay, good. Good, Agnel.
Itself, IT.
This is because the covered candle does not get air to keep itself burning.
You are being.
It's taking so long because you don't know the spellings. Each and every alphabet you have to check.
N-I-N-G. Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, so with that, we finish air around us. Now we have one more chapter in GS, which we will begin in the next class. Okay, anybody still any more answers you have to complete? I will send it through WhatsApp. You can complete it at that time.
Deepa, ma'am.
Yes, Amba?
The 17th question.
No need of writing. That is only for you to understand. I don't want you to write the answer. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.